Honor sharing Honor Magic 8 Pro Night Photography Images is the true good of the night. The Honor Magic 8 series will be unveiled in the fourth quarter of 2025. October reveals Honor CMO Guarue. A Chinese tipster has shared an image of a Magic 8 series phone that shows a new button that's supposedly meant for AI functions only. The Magic 8 series could include up to 4 models, including the standard Magic 8, Magic 8 Pro, Magic 8 Mini, and a Magic 8 Ultra. Rumors suggest that the Mini and Ultra variants could be announced in early 2026. The Honor Magic 8 series phones are rumored to be available in 4 color options. All phones in the lineup could come with wireless charging. The camera module of the Honor Magic 8 and Pro still has the same circular module design at the center. The Honor Magic 8 Pro is also expected to have a 200MP telephoto camera and ultrasonic in-display scanners. Honor Magic 8 Pro is on its way to surprise consumers with an 8,000 mAh battery. Feature the 100W wired plus 80W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.